Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp not taste fishy. First, always start with high-quality shrimp. If using frozen, thaw them slowly in the refrigerator, not at room temperature. A quick rinse under cold water helps remove any surface impurities and can reduce potential fishy odors. This initial step is crucial for a delicious outcome, setting the stage for flavorful shrimp every time. Proper cleaning is key to avoiding a fishy taste. Carefully devein each shrimp by making a small incision along its back and removing the dark vein. Then, peel off the shell, though you can leave the tail on for presentation. After cleaning, pat the shrimp completely dry with paper towels. This step is vital for achieving a good sear and preventing a steamed texture. To further enhance flavor and neutralize any lingering fishiness, consider a quick marinade. A simple mixture of lemon juice or lime juice with a pinch of salt for about 15 minutes works wonders. Fresh herbs like dill or parsley, along with aromatic spices such as garlic powder or smoked paprika, also contribute significantly to a vibrant, non-fishy taste. The final step is cooking your shrimp perfectly. Overcooking is a common mistake that can lead to a rubbery texture and an intensified fishy flavor. Cook shrimp quickly over medium-high heat, typically for only 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they turn pink and opaque. Remove them from the heat immediately to ensure they remain tender and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.